Hey guys, it's Josh here from Adam Cope Mechanical. Today we'll be running through how to fit a secondary fuel filter to a 79 series Land Cruiser. So just applying sealant to all the fittings so we're sure we don't get any leaks. Now, these have different inlets and outlets for different models. We're just got to make sure we mount them in the right spot. We just apply a bit of rubber grease to the rubber seals in the filter so they seal properly. Same with the O-ring on the glass housing. These have a locator on the filter into the top housing so you can get it in the right spot. Here's the main bracket for a secondary filter. If you have a look in here, take the bolts out of the power steering reservoir housing and it fits in underneath. Just got to line the bolt holes up and it fits in nice and neatly. Fit this retaining bracket just for a bit of extra stability. Just leave it finger tight for now, so it'll eventually go through the filter housing itself. Now while the brackets are on, we can fit the filter. Now the filter's mounted and the brackets are on, we can fit the fuel lines. Now we use the factory fuel filter to climb up the fuel system. We pump until the diaphragm gets hard. To turn the key. And that's it. If you'd like some more information, you can head to the Fuelmaster website. This is just one of the services we offer at ACM.